Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at the control panel on the Dometic fridge freezer, which if you've watched some of our videos before you'll know it's been a problem since we got it. You walk past it and it bleeps. So stay tuned, I've come up with a solution, but it's not my idea. Welcome back. As I said, we're going to be looking at the control panel on the Dometic fridge freezer. Now, I was on social media a couple of weeks ago and I spotted a post by a chap who had shown his fix for the control panel, and I thought that's a really good idea, that. Sadly, I can't remember his name and I can't find his post since, but should I ever find out, this video is for him really. He came up with the idea and I'd like to thank him now. So thank you, whoever you are. Cheers. But I thought I'd also share it with everybody else and see what you think. So let's take a look at what we need to have a go at solving this Dometic problem. Okay, to do this fix, we are going to need a sheet of 1mm clear perspex or acrylic, some Velcro, which is stick-on type, which you obviously need the rough and the smooth, a tape measure, a pair of scissors or a craft knife, and a marker pen. So let's get started and let's crack on with this little make. Well everyone, that was our little solution to the Dometic fridge freezer control panel. Now, it didn't cost a great deal to make this. I think the dearest thing that we had to buy was the Velcro. This is a metre, 50mm wide, and it was £6 off Amazon. So it'll do quite a few actually. The acrylic that we bought was an A4 sheet, and it is 1mm thick, which is perfect for this job because, albeit that it's flexible, it actually is thick enough so that it does raise past the actual panel, so that if you knock it, it just bends slightly. So it's a really good idea to use the 1mm. Don't use anything thinner, I think it'd be a waste of time. But that's what I used. So all in all, if you break it down, it's probably cost me, I don't know, £1.50 to make, £2 at the most. So it is quite a cheap little fix for this. Some people might say it's ugly, but I don't really think it is, because you've used the correct colours and it matches. It actually does look quite good, but I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments. But if you've got another alternative to what I've shown you, please share it in the comments for everybody else. It would really help the channel and everybody on the channel who follows us. Well, thank you very much everybody for dropping by to the channel and watching this film. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate the subscriptions. Thank you. So in the meantime, I'll just say bye for now. Bye bye.